So at Intergraph, a lot of customers are asking, why? What is Intergraph or Ecosys doing? What we really want to do is not just delivering software, we want to improve the construction delivery. We want to change the world in construction. That's what we want to do. And how we want to do it is by providing software that's easy to use, powerful, innovative, and smart. And also now these days, there's new technology coming up, even helping more in the construction industry. So I'm talking about scanning, talking about augmented reality. I'm talking about using 3D model data in the field. So what is now the best way to show you this? The best way, I think, is just show you a typical guy, a typical day at construction, how it looks like perhaps in 2 years. One easy way to improve construction is actually do better planning. And we have one tool where you can do better planning with smarter construction in terms of work packages. Prepare work packages out of a 3D model. So you can go in the 3D model, drag and drop your items, it will calculate the schedule, it will calculate the work that needs to be done. So now you will see that with smarter construction, how to create work packages, how to sequence them, and how to see conflicts in a 3D model, in the 4D world, how you see equipment delayed or not delayed. The work package was created via the field planner, the field engineer. Now they want to show it to the superintendent to explain the sequence of the execution. So augmented reality, here you can see through on the mobile device actually overlaid the 3D model with the reality. So the reality in the moment is the project, the construction is half done. The 3D model overlays how it should look like. And then you can compare what needs to be done and can really understand how to install stuff and what's there, what's not there. So it's actually pretty cool. The superintendent actually approved the work package. Now we can see how the work package will be executed. But hold on, there's a change. There's something not correct. So the field engineer, as you can see, is now taking from the drawing, there's a QR code on it. He reads the QR code with his mobile device, and voila, the 3D model is coming up, where you can do the markups and compare the reality with the drawing. So basically, coming from the paper world in the 3D world. We've dealt with the change, executed the work, and now the work package is done. So how you measure done? Normally by progressing these items, what is done. Laser scanning progress, and it's just seeing what's there, comparing this versus the 3D model, what should have been there. And then just see the differences, and then you know how much is progress or not. So after the work package was progressed, we are realizing actually the productivity is not there that we have hoped. So let's go into project control systems like Ecosys we have and see what the real cost overrun is, what the delay is, what the impacts are. Let's drill in and see what we can do about it. Can we still work with this overrun? How big is the overrun? Do we see overrun somewhere else? Is it because of the crew? So you will see there are different ways to analyze this. So this was one crew. Now perhaps you can imagine a construction site has thousands of crews, thousands of people running around. So we are collecting all the different work package progress. Now let's go back to the headquarters and with the executives, because they want to look at all different projects that's going on. And that they do this by KPIs. So they know KPIs of project execution in terms of performance, safety, and all this, and costs. And they like to compare this current project that's running and see if there are any issues. If there's any issues, they just drill in and see what's going on. And perhaps the superintendent will get an email from an executive, hey, why is this good, why is this bad? Now you have seen the typical day at construction, how it can look like in 2 years. And I think the difference is, today world, we are wasting a lot of time in terms of construction people doing nothing, wasting their time. But just by having better communication and plan their work, getting technology into the field, I feel from the 50% costs we have, we can easily save 10% out of it. It's a big deal. And in 2 years, I think we can do this.